What's good, my peoples? Today I'm gonna show you how you could ship your Disney VHS tapes via USPS the cheapest way. Let's go. So let's start off with this box. This is a large flat rate box and you could ship it anywhere in the United States for $18.30 as long as you purchase your label through pirateship.com. In this box, I'm able to fit approximately 15 VHS tapes. But it all depends on how much you charge your customer. As long as you charge them $18.30 for shipping, I recommend using this box. It'll be much easier for you. This is a medium flat rate box. This box you could ship anywhere around the United States at the same price. If I'm not mistaken, it's about $14.50 around there. And as long as it doesn't weigh no more than 70 pounds, the price will stay the same. Same thing for this large box. As long as it doesn't weigh no more than 70 pounds, you'll pay the same price. The bad thing about this box is that I'm not able to fit all my VHS tapes in here. I have a total of 12 VHS tapes and I'm only able to fit, it was 8. I'm only able to fit 8. So, since I cannot fit all 12 VHS tapes in this medium-sized box, I have to create my own box. That will be the most cheapest way you can send 12 VHS tapes to your customer. And I'm going to show you how you can make your own box. Let's go. Okay, so this is a free box that I got. It was actually delivered to my home. There was a portrait in here, so I just saved the box. I knew I was going to use it in the future, but this is the box I'm going to use. When you start shipping on eBay, I recommend that you start saving all the boxes you receive and just throw away the ones you know is not going to work out for shipping. This box I knew I was able to reuse, so let's go. So I cut it here. Okay. So put it like this. This. That way I have to just okay. voila. I have a box. Let's just slide this in here. Alright, so this is my box. This is the way I was able to save money in shipping instead of using a USPS box. This is what I would do to make a box and ship my items. Now, you don't have to do it exactly like this because I know you will not be able to find the exact type of box I used in the beginning of the video. But I want to encourage you that you are able to make your own box. All you have to do is just use a little bit of creativity, believe in yourself, and this is the outcome. You will be able to make your own box and you will be able to save in shipping. So this package is going to Massachusetts. I'm here in South Florida and the zip code to Massachusetts is 01151. So my box is 18 inches in length, 11.5 in width, and 4 inches in height. It was weighing 8 pounds. Standard priority mail cubic, delivered in 1 to 3 days. It'll cost $14.98 to ship out. If you select parcel, it'll be $22.22. And if you select priority mail express, which is 1 to 2 day shipping, $70.75. So I'm gonna go with the $14.98. Alright, so basically this box is going to cost me $15 to ship out, and I'm totally fine with that. If I would have used the other boxes, it would have cost way too much and I would have barely made any profit. Please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share this with your friends and family, and turn on that notification button. That way you're alerted when new videos come out. Thank you for watching and good luck making your own box to ship out your VHS tapes. I'm out.